Sometimes you need to synchronize different timers. For example, in a basketball match you have the general timer, but you also have the shot clock, and when the general timer stops immediately, the shot clock should also stop, and when the first verse starts, the second should have to restart again. So it's a quite common situation. In other sports you will have penalty times, and when the match stops, the penalty time should also stop. Just to have a different example, you can have a situation when you can have multiple timers that are one related to the others. So let's see how can we manage it from LDSscoreboard. It's terribly simple. I have created here a new scoreboard. I will edit it. I will set as the name as timers, and I will create a new timer, and I will call it timer 1, for example. This will be the general, so general timer, right? A better name. Here we have a reference name, and the reference name is the name of the timer that you have to indicate in different timers, that this is going to be the master, the one that will say when each one has to start and stop. In our case, we will set, for example, that this is an ascending timer that starts from 0, right? You can create the timer with the characteristics that you want. Now we'll create, for example, a shot clock. It will be a descending timer that will start, for example, in the 25th second, will descend to 0, will always be positive, will ring the bell, the siren at the end, and will be related to the JEPA, and will be related to the general timer. This reference written here should be set here, right? So when the general timer starts, the shot clock will start. When it pauses, this one will pause also, etc. Right? So that's the definition. We can define as many timers as we want. So for demonstration purposes, let's create a slide. Let's go to set one timer. This will be the general timer, right? I will place it here with bigger fonts. For example, I will duplicate it and create a secondary one that will be smaller, but will be the shot clock. I will set a format that will be to show only seconds, right? Just as an example. Let's save, and let's place it here. Right? The background is black. So when I start the general timer, automatically the shot clock starts. When I stop it, the shot clock stops. And if I want to reset the general timer, I will also reset the shot clock, right? So it's pretty simple. It's a very easy way to synchronize different timers, and you don't have to use any external API and nothing else. Just indicate which one will depend on each one. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye bye.